Welcome to the largest diecast event in Singapore, SGDE 25. You can see this stunning Porsche 911 in its livery. This event car is also the official Hot Wheels car. Very stunning and striking livery. A very packed event with a lot of Hot Wheels merchandise for collectors and for families. Also a lot of main lines on display up for grab. The SGDE also have a lot of Hot Wheels premium for sales, such as the Car Culture and also the Boulevard series. 80th anniversary 5 car packs. Including the Hot Wheels premium. Look at the beautiful Honda set. As well as the Fast and Furious 5 car set. Looking very stunning. Very impressive 10 car box set from Fast and Furious. The Supra is a hot car for many collectors. Also very impressive is the F1 track set, which is now in season. It's the F1 season in Singapore. Also a smaller set featuring 3 other cars. Also very impressive is the Mattel Brick Shop series. Many cars here. These cars also include the die cars. We have the Maserati, the Camaro. So very cool with the car. The Mercedes-Benz. This is the largest box set. The back of the box with the casting as well. For the 300S, very cool. This got to be the best of the set, the 90 Acura NSX. Look at the diecast. It's a huge box set and it's very impressive. The 300S has the opening going doors. And also the Hot Wheels car, they come with a display, very impressive. The iconic Acura NSX, and also the smaller Maserati. Very nice diorama display. These are very limited run Inno 64 by Black Crow Customs. That's the regular, and that's the chase car. Very limited run just for the event. Not forgetting the event exclusive, the FD for the Diecast Expo by Motor Helix, with a chance for the chase car. Very nice display, crafted by Mizu Diecast. Also very nice work by Mizu for the Lincoln. Very nice with the display. The actual FD2 for the event. That's the Motor Helix set, exclusively for the Singapore Diecast Expo. Unique merchandise from Can Shop, which is the popular vending machine scattered around Singapore. They specialize in local buses, as well as some quirky and interesting keychains from Japan. Not forgetting the Tomica booth, which is also a key player in the event. These are exclusive Tomica event exclusive, including the Initial D box set, which is the hot favorite. Some of the Tomica display. Tomica Limited Vintage also have their showcase in the booth. Very interesting upcoming release. These are releases all for the pipeline till 2026. And one very noteworthy release is the Arsenal series, which also features the tank. Very massive in true 1:64 scale. I'm very impressed. I may get this tank for my collection and custom paint it. One of the very fine release by TLV. Tons of Tomica here. The premium series. And the highly anticipated Initial D box set. On the lighter tone, there's also the Tomica tunes with some Sanrio characters. And also the very popular Tomica Garage. Here are the Tomica event exclusive, the R34 test car. And also the TLV Subaru. And also the GTR event exclusive. Also, do not miss out the Tarmac Works booth, partnership with Let's Play. These are upcoming release from Tarmac Works. Very impressive casting. The SGDE event car, which is the SLS. And also the sold out Fair Ladies. Key draw grand prize, the 10th anniversary Tarmac Works dinner car for attendees who purchase the $100 bag. Also upcoming Tarmac cards, which feature the top secret, the event car for the SLS, the Tarmac cards, very cool series. Overall, a fun-filled event, and in my opinion, one of the largest scale. Very happy to be part of the event. And remember to smash the like button for more updates.